Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about intermittent fasting and alcohol. Does alcohol break a fast? So if you like the video related to intermittent fasting on Turtle Health, I would like to request you all please do like, share, subscribe this channel so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of content. So here we begin. Let's go. Can intermittent fasting and alcohol coexist? Let's find out if alcohol breaks a fast and how it can influence your weight loss progress. Now, if you are into weight loss and fitness, you must have heard about intermittent fasting. We have talked in depth about it before. But here's a quick recap. It's a dieting method that involves switching between fixed eating and fasting periods. There are no restrictions to what you can eat or drink during an intermittent fasting eating window. You can even drink water or non-caloric beverages like tea or coffee during fasting windows. But what about alcohol? So in this video, we are going to explore the link between intermittent fasting and alcohol. So does alcohol break a fast? How does it affect the health benefit of intermittent fasting? Now, can you drink alcohol while intermittent fasting? This is probably the first question that comes to your mind regarding intermittent fasting and alcohol consumption. To answer that, you must understand that alcohol is a calorie dense drink. 1 gram of alcohol contains 7 calories, a little more than a gram of sugar, and a little less than a gram of fat. This means you can't drink alcohol during your fasting window. But can you fit a drink or two in your eating window? Theoretically, you can. However, there are a few things you need to take note of. First, you need to make sure that you have food in your stomach when you have your alcohol drink. Drinking when your stomach is empty is never a good idea. Alcohol can absorb into your system faster and you can become drunk quicker. You also risk severe dehydration if you have your alcoholic drinks before meals. So the best thing to do is to have your drink after a meal or with your meal. For this reason, it's not a good idea to break a fast with alcohol. Second, alcohol can make you hungrier. It is proven that alcohol can increase appetite, thus leading to higher calorie consumption. People often follow intermittent fasting as a weight loss method, and having more food during the eating phase can obviously offset the effects of calorie restrictions during the fasting phase. Third, alcohol itself is a high calorie drink, as we already mentioned. The number of calories in your drink can be easy to miss. If you are not carefully tracking your drinking, these numbers will add up and increase the total amount of calories consumed, thus leading to weight gain. You should also remember that the calories in alcohol are empty calories. This means they will not fulfill any nutritional requirements or provide any health benefits to you. So, does alcohol break a fast? You are not allowed to eat or drink anything that contains calories during this interval. As we already explained, alcohol carries calories. This doesn't mean you need to give up drinking altogether while you are on your intermittent fasting regime, but you need to get a few facts straight if you want to make an informed decision. So, does alcohol undermine the success of intermittent fasting? So, if you think about weight loss, it's a quantity that matters the most. Heavy drinking, on the other hand, can considerably promote weight gain and obesity. So, if your goal is to lose weight, you should track how much alcohol you are consuming on a regular basis, even if you do so within the eating window, in order to gain the most benefit and best result from intermittent fasting. It's recommended to limit alcohol intake during your eating window and practice moderation. As a reminder, here all are the benefits you can get from intermittent fasting to motivate you to limit your alcohol intake. Now, inflammation reduction. One positive effect of intermittent fasting is reducing inflammation. The influence of alcohol on inflammation also seems to depend on the amount of alcohol you consume. While moderate amounts are said to curb inflammation, extensive drinking can trigger inflammation throughout your system. This means you can reap the benefits of intermittent fasting while enjoying an occasional drink. However, you need to keep a close eye on your drinking habits if you don't want to offset the advantages intermittent fasting brings about. Now, that's all about the intermittent fasting related with the alcohol. So, I will definitely come in the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.